I live in a small town. The name of the town is Maplewood. It is a quiet and friendly place. There are not many people here. Everyone knows each other. Most houses have gardens. Some houses are old, but many are new. The streets are clean and the air is fresh. People say hello when they meet. It feels safe and peaceful here. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. The sun comes in through the window. I hear birds singing. I make a cup of tea and eat toast with butter. Then I walk to work. My job is at a small bakery. It takes only 10 minutes to get there. On the way, I see my neighbors. We often smile and say good morning. At the bakery, I help make bread and cakes. Many people come to buy fresh food. Some customers talk about their day. Others buy quickly and leave. I like working at the bakery because it smells good and the people are kind. I finish work at 2 p.m. After work, I usually go to the market. The market is open every day. There are many stalls. People sell fruit, vegetables, meat, and cheese. My favorite is the fruit stall. The apples and bananas are always fresh. I also like to buy flowers on Fridays. They make my home look bright. In the afternoon, I often rest or read a book. Sometimes I meet friends for coffee. We sit at a small cafe near the river. The coffee is warm and the view is nice. On sunny days, we walk along the river and talk. We see ducks in the water and children playing. Evenings in Maplewood are calm. I cook dinner at home. I like making soup, rice, or pasta. After dinner, I watch a little TV. Sometimes I read again. At 9:30, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and write in my notebook. I go to sleep before 10. On weekends, the town feels more active. Families go out together. Children ride bikes. There is music in the park. On Sundays, I visit my parents. They live nearby. We eat lunch together and talk about our week. They like to hear about my work and my friends. There are also events in Maplewood. Every month there is a town market. People from other towns come to visit. They sell handmade soap, clothes, and food. In spring, we have a flower festival. In summer, we watch movies outside in the park. These events are fun and bring people together. Maplewood is not a big place, but it has everything I need. There was a school, a library, and a small hospital. We also have a bus that goes to the city. It takes about 1 hour. I go there sometimes to shop or visit museums. People in Maplewood are helpful. If you need something, they try to help. Last week, my bike broke. A man from the shop fixed it for free. He said, "You help me, I help you." I like this kind of thinking. We also take care of nature. Many people have small gardens. Some grow flowers. Others grow tomatoes and lettuce. There is a group that cleans the park every Saturday. I join them when I can. We pick up trash and plant trees. When I was younger, I thought I wanted to live in a big city. But now I am happy here. The town is not perfect, but it feels like home. I know the people and they know me. That makes life easier. Some people move to Maplewood for a quiet life. Others come to raise a family. We welcome new neighbors. We invite them to events. We say hello at the store. A little kindness goes a long way. Life in a small town moves slowly. That is not a bad thing. There is time to stop and talk, time to rest, time to enjoy the little things. I think that is important. When I walk home in the evening, I see the sun go down. The sky turns orange and pink. I take a deep breath and feel thankful. Maplewood is not just where I live, it is part of who I am.